guys, good afternoon and happy Sunday. So today for lunch I'm gonna make Goan fish curry. So this is my first time actually to make this dish, even though my husband is from Goa. So now first we have to marinate our fish. So I'll show you how I'll do my marination. So here I am using hamor fish, but you can use any fish as you prefer. But I have here hamor fish, 800 grams. So now in here we have to put turmeric, salt, and red chili. And now we'll have to squeeze some lemon. So actually I have squeezed 3 lemons on this because I have small ones. So after this, we have to rub it. All the masala what we put inside, we have to rub it on the fish. So rub everything. We have to make sure that everything is well coated. So I'm finished rubbing all the pieces of fish with the masala. So now we have to sit aside this for 15 minutes. And now we have to do our gravy. So I have here, I have two onion. I have a 3/4 of cup of coconut. I cut them into small pieces so it could be easily grind. I have 1/2 inch of ginger. I have 1 tomato, and I have 10 cloves of garlic. And I have 3 pieces of red chili, which I soak in water, so it's easy to grind as well. And I have here a coriander seeds. I have also soaked in water, and 1/2 cup of water, and I have soaked the tamarind in it. So in the tamarind I've used like 1 tablespoon of tamarind. So now all this we have to grind it. So onion, put inside, coconut, ginger, and a garlic. Tomato, guys, I will grind it separate. And then a coriander seeds, which I've been soaked in water. I will not throw the water, guys. I can use it to use for blending all these spices, and a soaked red chili, and we have to remove this. We have to use only the water from the tamarind. Then we have to put our tamarind in. Then we'll put and then we'll put a little water. This water is where I have soaked the red chili. And now we have to grind this. Now guys, it's finished. It's well paste, smooth. So now let's start cooking for our gravy. Now, so we put oil. I'm using olive oil. So after this, we have to put our onion. It's up to you. You can also put directly the paste, but for me, I just put a little onion first. We just wait until it gets translucent before we'll put our paste. Just wait for like 1 minute. Now our onion has changed color. So now at this stage, we can add our paste. Then let it cook. For the meantime, let's just also grind our tomato. At this stage, guys, I've sauteed this for 5 minutes. Now we have to add our tomato paste. Now we have to cook it for around, let's check again, around after 5 minutes, let's check again if it's cooked. And now we'll put our red chili. One teaspoon of red chili. Turmeric. One teaspoon of turmeric. And I'll put cumin powder. Cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. You have to mix all together. Give a good mix. You have to stir it. And then you will come to know once the masala is cooked, once the oil will start separating from the masala. So this one needs more little bit of cooking. So maybe for another 2 minutes it will be cooked, the masala. So see, our paste is cooked now. So this is perfect. So now we have to add water. For the water, guys, it just depends on you for the gravy. So for me, we'll have it with rice. So I'll put good enough of water for the rice. So this will be perfect. Then we have to add our salt. And for the salt, as per to your taste. I can just add just half teaspoon right now because I actually marinated the fish with the salt. So later on, if I need salt, I will adjust and I will add some more. For now, just half teaspoon is enough. So now, let it boil. And now, it is boiling. At this stage, we can put our fish, marinated fish. See, you can see the color. We have to be careful with our fish because fish is delicate. So we have to put it in. So let it cook. Just cook it for 5 minutes. Let's see if it gets cooked in 5 minutes. And then on this, I'll add 2 green chili. I have made a slit and I put it inside. 2 green chili. This is an optional, guys. If you don't want, don't put it. But for me, I want something spicy. Then again, let it cook for, let's say, 5 minutes. We'll check it again. See, so we have to be careful on turning the fish because this is very delicate fish. So after this, it's a coconut extract. So I'll put coconut extract. This is 1 cup, less than 1 cup, just to give a different taste. Nice taste it is. So now again, let's cook it for another 1 minute. Let's first taste if it needs more salt. Salt is okay, so I don't need anything. So let's just wait for 1 minute. So I think now it is done. Our Goan fish curry is ready. You can serve this along with the rice or chapati as you wish. Now we can do our plating. Now here's our Goan fish curry. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Until next time, guys.